Hey everyone, I'm Albert from Smart Investing. So if you saw the shorter video, thank you guys for watching this longer video. I'm going to try to keep it as short as possible. Obviously it's going to be over a minute, but I'm going to keep it as short as I can. Today is January 31st, 2024. And 11 months ago, first I want to say that the stock that I'm going over real quick is ticker symbol NYCB. I've mentioned before that there's going to be a banking crisis. I think this is the start of it. Some people may claim it is. Some people may claim it's not. Whether it's big financial firms or not, they're going to deny it. But again, the proof is in the pudding, like I always say, because I always do my homework. And 11 months ago, I'm trying to find the video. 11 months ago, I reviewed this stock, ticker symbol NYCB. I said it was trash. Fast forward 11 months later. Tomorrow is actually February 1st. I don't know the exact date, but I'm going to show you guys here that it was, and I'm going to play the video real quick. So we see here, hold on one second. Give me 1 second. Okay, so it's right here. This is the short video, ticker symbol NYCB, and this is the longer video, part 74. As you can see, I do it in sequence. Sometimes usually I do the longer video first, and then on the same day, usually right after, I'll upload it in the shorter video. So I'm going to show you guys the shorter video. And then as soon as I talk about NYCB, there it is. Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Investing. So these are the 5 stocks that I went over in my longer video. So out of the 5, UBSI, I decided to hold off on it. It has a lot of potential, but the price range didn't seem all that great. So I think that's why I held off on it. NYCB was trash. B-Pop. So you can clearly see. Where is it at? Where is my drawing board? You can clearly see here, right here, I said NYCB was trash. So there you go. That's the shorter video. Now, for the longer video, I'm going to fast forward in the video because I know where to look at because I already skimmed through a video before I even started this video. So the stock NYCB, again, it fell around 38 to like 40%. And so when I went over that stock and I looked at it today, I mean, I didn't know it was going to be that stock. I just figured it was going to be any crappy stock that I evaluated in the past. Again, if I say a stock is trash, sooner or later, one of those stocks are going to be mentioned, and it just happened to be NYCB. And yeah, people think they're going to buy the dip and it's going to go up. It's not. I even show, and I will show you right now, at a 5-year outlook, charting on it, it's trash. Very volatile. Yes, it has movement on it, but it's only stood within the same $5 within the past 5 years. So if you think you're going to buy this dip and it's going to go up to like $20-$50, you're highly mistaken. For a stock to be flat like that for 5 years and then all of a sudden makes that movement going down, strap in your good luck, because if you buy that stock and anybody else tells you to buy that stock, they're highly mistaken. Again, I cannot recommend buying or selling. I know what I'm talking about because, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not allowed to instill my final decision on you. I'm just providing you the information and recommendation of watch lists, and I'm only using my decision to pretty much look out for you and for you to make your final decision. That's what the channel is all about, giving you the right information, truthful information with high accuracy. Again, I'm going to just skim through this video that I made 11 months ago right here. And it's the banking services sector, part 74 out of 120 videos. So I know people are not going to skim through that. So again, I'm going to provide a link in the description if you want to see that video, but I'm going to play it in this one anyway. I think I start talking about that stock around the 10-minute mark, and I'm just going to play that video. And then once I stop talking about that video, I'll just talk about what it looks like now. So I'm going to give you the before and play the video. And then I'm going to give you the after. Because of the reoccurring revenue. And NYCB, that's the ticker symbol. Inspected again. So it's pretty smart because of the reoccurring revenue and stable. So has potential, but we can move on from that one. Next stock up is NYCB. That's the ticker symbol. 5-year is very volatile, high volume, so a lot of momentum on this stock. I don't even have to look in the quants. Very, very high. What other numbers do I see? Earnings, it's not bad, could be better. PE seems okay. Dividend sucks. Dividend yield is okay. Market cap 6.5, 52-week high and low is awful. So this is not a quality stock, even if it is fundamentally. But just looking at the numbers for 52-week high and low, people did not like this stock last year. So we'll see if they do like it or they did like it. I don't see any change for the year as well. Pretty flat. Even for the 5 years, it hasn't broken new highs that much. Only by like $2 in change for the last 5 years. So again, you're not getting much return on your investment. Either you're losing or pretty much staying flat. And that would actually depend on when you came in, because we have longer periods of when they were down, and then these really fast spikes going up, and then all of a sudden they start going down. So for the most part, it would look like, on average, if somebody came in, they would have came in even randomly. It could be a 50% chance, but again, you just see these really high spikes and fast drops, very volatile, and then there's really no period of staying still. And I understand, because there's so many people involved with this when it's so high in the volume. So this looks like a day trading stock. This doesn't look like a stock to hold on the long term. And even then, fundamentals, they're just horrible. Doesn't really want to break out of any range. So you're pretty much stuck in that $5 range. This is not an investment to get some capital on return. So value, I could definitely understand. That was the highest rating. Momentum, I could see a little bit more growth. Let me pause that video. It's funny how during the open market, they weren't evaluating it. Let me rewind it. Because I checked and you can see here, hold on. You can clearly see here these analysts. Hold on. Does it say the number? Hold on.
Stuck in that $5 range. This is not an investment to get some capital on return. So,
okay, as of today, January 31st, 2024. I don't know if you can see that. This here says 16 analysts. That was from 11 months ago. Today, there were 18 analysts. Since I have this video paused, I know it has like that little tint on it, but I hope you guys can clearly see this. 16 analysts. They added 2 more analysts. Check this out. That means those 2 analysts, I did not see a sell rating as of today, which was a year later. As you can clearly see, 25% said a strong buy, 13% said buy, 63% said hold. And then in the new one, it says 6% said sell. So this is how Wall Street likes to deceive people. Again, this was 11 months ago. These so-called Ivy League people who think they're incredibly smart because they went to some hotshot school where they never got their hands dirty and did the digging like I do and do their damn research and spend hours on end like I do. Sure, I don't know what techniques they're using. I don't really care. I don't care if they're using AI or whatever firm they work for or analyst, because what I'm trying to say is that they look down on people like me, on people like us, retail investors and Main Street investors. So I find it hilarious how they want to deceive, and you can clearly see 16 analysts. And then today, I checked today, right before this video, an hour ago, I had 18 analysts. So that means you had 2 extra analysts come in and chime in and then try to say it was a sell rating. So then that way you can make yourself look good. And then throughout the end of the year, people can say, oh yeah, I recommended that stock, it was a sell. Yeah, because you're rebalancing your portfolio as of the beginning of the year. And this is what happened a few months ago in November and December, which was BS because Wall Street didn't want to take a hit and a loss. They pumped up the Magnificent Seven for November and December. And those 2 months wiped out the last 10 months of gains. So what I'm trying to say is November and December pretty much wiped out every single loss from January all the way to October. Wiped out everything else the 10 months before that. So that means this system is rigged. And they're deceiving people. They're going to continue deceiving people. Again, I don't know what channels you subscribe to, but this is why I don't like subscribing to other channels, because they're full of crap. They're full of BS. All they do is lip service. They're not showing you the inside details. They're not showing you the inside information. They're not showing you the honest answer. I am. This is why I'm sick and tired of Wall Street. They hate me. They can hate me for it, and I don't like them either. So I guess we're even. I do respect certain people, but again, Wall Street is just so full of it, and I'm tired of it. So I'm exposing them for what they are, and I don't care. So they're just gonna have to take it. So as we can see here, I have no sell ratings. No sell ratings right here. No underperformance. 0%. 0%.
So value I could definitely understand. That was the highest rating. Momentum, I could see a little bit more. Growth, definitely not. But I'm surprised that number's so low for momentum. I wouldn't think it would be that far behind. So for this stock, it's a definite no.
Time.
To me, it's obvious to my eyes that based on the numbers and the way the numbers look, people are day trading this mostly. I stay away from this stock if you're considering this long term. I also do day trading. I'm not as active as doing it because of the way my strategy is. But again, I understand and do all of these things when it comes to the stock market. But I just don't see it for the long term in a long time at any time. So, for day trading, yes, maybe. I would say yes for short term. For the long term, I would say no. So that would be my answer to you guys. And for how long to short term this, I'd say no more than, let's see. So we'll want to look at some history here. So let's go for the last whole year. So we have small spikes going down, 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 ticked up, ticked up. So I wouldn't, honestly, it'll be hard to even hold on to this for a month. It's just so tricky because even in March, it was on a major downtrend, ticked up, and then all of a sudden you have this big spike. So I think month to month it would be useful, no more than a month. I think we're better off week to week and swing trade this, if anything. But definitely to not get greedy on this stock. Next stock up, B Pop.
So there you have it. I totally agree. Even for this year, don't even hold that stock no more than a month if you're gonna day trade it. I wouldn't, if I had the money and if I could. I'm deciding and I'm saying for myself, I would short this if I had the money. I'm just speaking for myself. I'm not speaking for others. I'm making a final decision. Again, I'm not a licensed or insured advisor. I'm just speaking from my end, from my research. But again, as I said, this was a video from 11 months ago. Now, this is for today. Today's January 31st, 2024. This is today's price. This is the 1 day. Look at this drop. You have a drop of, look at this, just horrible. Horrible. 52-week high. Turnover rate close to 18%. Volume is insane. The volume is insane. Look at that. I've never seen anything like this. 128 million. I think people are better off doing options instead of day trading this. This is way too risky. Way too risky. This is definitely a trap. Definitely a value trap. This is even, and I dare say, this is definitely a day trading trap. Definitely. If you think you're going to be bullish on this stock and buy the dip on this crap, don't go for it. Don't be fooled. It's trash. Flush it down the toilet. Seriously. And again, see, this is what I was telling you earlier. This is what I saw like 2 hours ago. 18 analysts. The hold rating was around 63, what I said a few minutes ago, in the 60s, low to mid 60s. Now it's at 40%. Strong buy, 28%. A buy at 28%. These are your so-called Wall Street analysts. and only a 6% sell. So again, 2 extra analysts that they added on must have been recently, definitely. And there's your proof. There is your proof. So at least one out of the analysts, out of the 18, can say, yeah, I recommended that it was a sell. Anyways, I'm not going to go over the fundamentals. Again, like I said last year, stock is trash. That's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for watching accurate information. I'm not here for lip service. I'm here for research, stock research. Again, everybody's entitled to their own opinion. I respect you guys and thank you guys for watching. So again, be careful out there and good luck investing. It's a very tough world out there. So I'm gonna review in my next video the next 3 banking stocks. I'm very close to closing this out. I think I only have maybe 20 more stocks to review, and after that, I'm moving on to the next sector. I don't know what it is yet, but the first comment that I get, any emails that I get, I'll be happy to review certain sectors. So again, I'll see you guys in the next one.